All right, what's up everybody? We have wandered to the OC Auto Show. Normally I skip the show because there's not a huge lot going on, but I wanted to come today because of this thing. This is the all-new 2019 Chevy Blazer, and I am mildly interested in it. Now, this isn't the Blazer we remember from back in the day, the big boxy bad boy that we all know and love, the competitor to the Bronco. This is a crossover, but it does have a few interesting features. Now, under the hood, the base engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, non-turbo. The one you want, though, is the V6 because it is the 306 horsepower V6. So that's not bad. Now, a lot of these are going to be front-wheel drive. You can get optional all-wheel drive. It's a unique all-wheel drive system that is able to decouple the rear axle so that it runs as front-wheel drive and will save you fuel. So that's handy. The color they chose here for the OC Auto Show isn't the best. Black doesn't look great under the lights. There's a red one on the poster, an RS trim. That one looks pretty good. Above that is a Premier trim, and at the bottom is an LS trim. Sadly, doesn't have an LS motor. These things start at just under $30,000. They're two-row crossovers, and again, if you look at the all-wheel drive 305 horsepower one, you have our attention. I had to come check it out in person though, because it's a revival of an important name. So it's mildly interesting. Is it all the way there yet? I don't know, and I'm gonna have to see it in a better color when it comes to the LA Auto Show.